Hello everybody, this is Divya here and today we're going to discuss on diet tips for diabetes. Diabetes is on rise completely right now. The whole world and the whole nation has been worried why the diabetes, how to control, what are the preventive measures, how to make it completely get back to relapse the state. And right now every youngster has also been worried, and as per the statistics, right from the age of post 20, even during the teenagers there are chances of being diabetic. So because of the family history as well, because of 80% chances are there to for their offspring to get the chances of diabetic. So how to make it control over this and how to make it preventive at least. These are the things which we're going to discuss today. So there are 4 prime important which we have to consider in terms of diabetes, like what kind of carbs you choose. The carbohydrate sources is very important and it is very much staple in terms of South Indian diet as well. So how we can choose it in a smarter way, that we have to consider. You have to go for more complex sources of carbohydrate instead of simpler ones. The release of carbs into the body, the glucose itself should be in a lesser level. It shouldn't go on a speeder level. So you need not to have more insulin secretion into your body, and your body hasn't need not to work too much harder as well. So for that you need to choose on complex carbs. For example, instead of white rice you can go for brown rice, where the release of sugar into the body, into the blood will be on a much lower level because of the fiber content. Even you can go for, instead of white breads, you can go for whole breads. Instead of going for nuts like cashews and all that, instead of going for roasted ones, you can always go and replace with boiled ones. And going for carbohydrate, sugary cereals, you can always replace with the whole grain cereals. So instead of going for commercial products, you can always make an homemade or a handful of nuts, you can something which is natural. So these are the smarter choices you can go for. And one more, after carbohydrates, you should always avoid the refined things like the wheat pastas, or instead you can replace with whole grain pasta or wheat pastas right now. So you have to make sure that you completely avoid the refined products or commercial products which is available in the market. And diabetes are also being worried about one fact, is that they cannot take sweets anymore. Their diet is completely bland hereafter once they have been diagnosed with diabetes, but that is not the case. When you always have the craving for sweets or any desserts or something like that, always make a smart choice of how to cut down the other carbs. Like if you are indulging in any dessert, or you want to indulge into your favorite sweet, when you are taking that kind of amount of sweet, always cut down with the other carbs or the main cereal or the main dish of yours, so that the calories which is being provided will be taken care. And even always don't go with a cereal or a dessert as a complete evening snack or during your dinner time. Always take it along with your meal, so that the quantity which is being taken will not be too much. And one more thing is, like when you try to take it in a hurry-burry way, or when you are trying to indulge into your favorite dishes too much, when you are doing it in a faster way, you will tend to overeat. Overindulgence is possible. So always go it on a slower pace, enjoy the texture, enjoy the flavor of the food. So automatically the amount being taken will be very much less. So apart from the 2 choices, there is one more point which you have to consider, is the fats which is being taken. So what kind of fat should be taken? Like saturated fat should be completely avoided from the diet. Need not to be completely avoided, just be conscious of how it is taken. And unsaturated fats like omega-3, omega-6, and adding olive oil into your salad dressing and into your own cooking as well. So right now there are so many products in the market which you can replace and heat the oil as well during your cooking. Instead of deep frying, you can go for sauteing type of methods. So you have to make choices, the fats which you consider as well. Apart from sweets, apart from fats, there is one more point you have to consider, is what kind of vegetables and fruits you include. Because people also have a myth of that diabetes shouldn't take fruits into their diet, but they definitely need the vitamin and mineral content into their body, because that is also required in the body. So you can always go for the fruits, and the recommended amount is like 50 to 60 grams per day, but the smarter choice you make, the low glycemic foods you go for. For example, sweetened fruits like mangoes, jackfruits, all these fruits have a higher glycemic level. So even you are fond of these things, you can go and maximize with mix with other fruits, so that you will have a good vitamin content and you will be feeling full as well. So these are the 4 points you have to consider when you are being diagnosed with diabetes, or you can prevent yourself having a pattern of healthy eating pattern. And just keep regular check over your diet. How much calories do you consume every single day? Keep a regular check, and you have to be more extra conscious, then you can have a food diary as well. So you will be aware of what kind of amount being taken and how much calories being taken. All the viewers out there, don't please be too over conscious of what are the foods you consume. Just have a healthy eating pattern that will make a check over your glucose level. Thank you.